Dear friends, today we will learn about index function. Index is giving you a value from a set of data where row and column meets. Suppose anybody asks that, you can see that here there is a data of some sale of fruits from January to December. So you can see here sale of apple in January is 304 kg, in February 391 kg, in March 246 kg, like that. So if anybody asks what is the sale of apple in July, so normally what we have to do that we are taking that row of apple and come to July, then you can see that it is 208. So here we used two methods. One is we selected a row of apple, and next we find out which column belongs to July. Then we find out the answer is 208. Same way, if anybody asks this sale of apples in July, so we already find that what is the sale of apple in July. You can see that in the column from this apple row and up to the column July. So we will get the answer is 208. So you see how index is find out that value. It is very simple. You have to take the entire data, only that data from January to December, and go to row number where apples lies. In this data, apple row number of apple is the first one, so you can put the first row. Then we are asking to index formula to search in the first row and which column in the July column number is 7, so you have to give column 7 and close the bracket. You will get it 208. It is very simple. You have to give the row number and you have to give the column number wherever you want to find out the value. So it is very easy because we ask to index formula to check in the first column, that is column of apple, and in the first row in the column of the row of the apple, and the seventh column it is belongs to the month of July. So wherever these two arrows meets, you will get the answer as 208. So if you come, very simply we can say that the first is a row number and the second one is the column number. Row number for the apple is 1, so we can rewrite the formula again. Index, take the entire data, and here row number is asking for the apples. We know that apple row number is the first one, okay, and the month is July. The column number is 7, and close this 208. So similarly, if you want to take the next sale of grapes in October, so the same way index we can use the same, because we should use take the entire data, and here the row number for the grapes row number is coming as 3, and column number is October, it is the 10th month, so you have to put 10 there, close the bracket, you will get 250. It is grapes, it is means 245. So grapes in the third row and October in the 10th month. So we use the same way, right? Index data, comma, the row number for the grapes and the row number for the month. You will get 245. So instead of grapes, if you are changing to taking the orange, so you have to do, if you change the row number to 2, then you will get the value of orange in the 10th, 497, right? If you change this row number to 4th, it for berry, then you will get the value 425, right? If you change the month, instead of October to 4 or 5, May, for the fourth one is berry, then 413 is the answer. Okay, this is the use of index. Index function is, we can write it as index. First we are giving the array where the data lies, and the row number for the particular search, and the column number for the months here in this index. The same thing we are doing for the VLOOKUP also. If you are taking the VLOOKUP, you know that the function is VLOOKUP. We are taking that what, see here, we are going grapes VLOOKUP. What the lookup value? Grapes. The table array starting from the fruits column, then column index number, we are searching for the October. If you start from this, it will be 11, then false, that's 245. So if you change here grapes to orange, you will get the orange value 497. It's also the same way. If you are checking that orange, it will go to the orange, and if you are searching for the October, it will come to October, but we put the column number as 11, and the value is 497. So the difference is that in index and VLOOKUP, there are some limitations in VLOOKUP. If you take the VLOOKUP, you have to take the first column as the search value lies on. So here we are, wherever this orange is coming in a column, you have to take that column as the first, and from there you have to start the counting of the column number. And there is a combination, amazing combination of index match, and it is very useful formula to get the reference values, and you can take it very easily without the hurdles of the VLOOKUP. So learn about index. It is just giving the value in the uh, row and column intersection. So remember that and learn about index, and we will learn about match in the next class, and after that we will go through the index match amazing combination. Thank you.